And these boxes are $600 worth of little kids' toys that I bought directly from Amazon, and I'm going to ship them right back to Amazon to sell to customers. Now you might be thinking, if I bought these products from Amazon and I'm going to sell them right back on Amazon, why don't customers just buy it from Amazon, and will I be able to make any profit? Well, you see, the production of this toy isn't great enough to keep up with the demand, therefore there's a arbitrage in the market. So me being the evil reseller I am, I bought up all of the toys that I was able to purchase, and I'm going to sell them right back on Amazon since Amazon went out of stock, and the only people that customers can buy from would be other resellers like me. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Now it's time to show you guys the toy that I purchased. It's the internet's favorite little kid show, Cocomelon. I purchased 30 of these little stupid babies for $20, and I'm going to sell them right back on Amazon for $40. But look, that's what I'm going to sound like after I make all this profit. So to break it down, I bought each unit for $19.99, and we're going to sell each on Amazon for like $39.99, something like that. Which after Amazon fees and shipping and all that, we're going to get like 12 bucks profit on each unit. 12 times 30 means we're going to be getting like 360 bucks in profit, meaning this is a 60% ROI item, which is amazing, especially since this is a very low ranked item on Amazon, meaning that it will sell super quickly. So we got 10 boxes total here with 3 units in each box. We can pack a lot more than 3 units, I think. I don't know how many we can pack, but basically we're going to take every single one out of the box so I can get a sick thumbnail, and then we're going to pack them as densely as we can so we can save on our shipping rates. And also something else about these toys is that they used to sell for $75 during Q4 in 2020. They were going crazy during Christmas. So what I could do is I could wait till next Q4 and maybe these toys will be at $75 again. But I just don't know if the supply chain is going to catch up by then, and I want to get my money quick. It's all about cash flow in this game. So we're just going to flip these now for $40. Who knows? Maybe they get to 75 again. I'm not worried because we're still making 60% ROI. I'll see you guys in a second. So I just condensed it to 6 boxes total from originally 10 boxes. The first one was 10 boxes with 3 units in each. Now we have 6 boxes with 5 units in each. And that's going to save us a lot of money on shipping because we're shipping 4 less boxes. But now all we have to do is go into Inventory Labs, which is a software I use to basically make FBA shipments. We're going to print out FBA labels, slap them on these boxes, and then on Monday morning, I'm going to schedule a UPS pickup. UPS is going to come by my house. They're going to load all these into their truck, and those are going to get shipped off to an Amazon FBA warehouse. And, you know, between the research, the purchasing, the packaging, all that, it took me at max an hour. So we're going to be making $360 profit for just 1 hour of work. That's amazing. Obviously, it's going to take time for these to sell, but like I said, these are really quick selling items, so I'm gonna get it quickly. But even if it did take a lot of time to sell, it doesn't matter because I'm not doing the work and I don't need this money quickly. I have the money to invest. And I don't need this money quickly. Like theoretically, I can sit on this for a few months and it would still be okay, but it's gonna flip quick. I'm gonna make this money quick and I'm going to reinvest that money into other stuff to flip. Reselling has been super, super easy in 2020 and 2021, but it's not always gonna be this easy. It's not always going to be, you know, 60% ROI items like this. Stuff is going to settle down in the future, but I'm just trying to take advantage of it while I can. We're gonna take all the money we can from reselling and put it into other long-term sustainable business models. And a lot of the money that I make from reselling goes into my gaming and fitness pages, you know, buying upgrades for those, investing in videos eventually. But as a 17-year-old, I'm so happy that last year I got fired from my job. Or not really fired, just kind of like laid off because of COVID. Because I could not go back to working minimum wage, which for me was $12 an hour in California. Like now that I can see how much money I can make from doing very little amount of work, I can't go back to, you know, minimum wage labor. And I also want to point out that I don't usually pack and ship these items myself. The only reason I sent these to my house is because I'm filming a YouTube video for you guys. Usually I would send these products to a prep center that I have out of state that is in a tax-free state so that when I order products from like Target or other online retailers, I don't have to pay state tax. Luckily though, I am registered as a business on Amazon, so I'm tax exempt for things that I purchased to resell. But literally all this stuff that I'm shipping out right now, I shipped out the same quantity to the prep center. So half of it's here, half of it's at the prep center, and then it's all gonna go to Amazon and get sold. But yeah, let's make some money. If you wanna see more videos about Amazon, please check out these ones to the left of me. Down below the subscribe button. Please go ahead and tap on it if you learned something today. But my name is Austyn Hustles. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'm out. Later.